Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use TradeStation for active trading step by step clearly. Begin by downloading and installing the TradeStation software from the official website. Once installed, launch the application and log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard interface. Locate the market data feed options to ensure you have real-time data. Next, navigate to the charts section to start analyzing price movements. Right-click on the chart and select the desired asset you want to trade. Adjust the time frame according to your trading strategy, choosing from options like 1 minute to daily. Incorporate technical indicators by clicking on the Insert menu and selecting from the available options. Once your chart is set, observe the market trends and identify potential entry and exit points. To place a trade, click on the Trade drop-down menu in the top navigation. Select buy or sell depending on your market analysis. Enter the order size and any additional parameters you wish to set. Review your order for accuracy before clicking Send Order. Monitor your position through the Positions tab, where you can manage open trades. For setting stop losses or take profits, right-click on your active position and choose the appropriate option. Regularly review your trading performance through the Account Summaries section. Utilize the built-in research tools for further analysis and strategy adjustments. When ready, log out securely after your trading session is complete. This step-by-step guide will help streamline your active trading experience with TradeStation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.